All right, good afternoon. It is May 4th. May the 4th be with you. It is vlog 86, and it is Tuesday. Yeah, this week is going along strong. I actually woke up a little bit early, or actually regular time, usually 9 o'clock that we wake up. But I had to go to Dave's to go film some community lessons, and already did that. Just got back. And now I have some stuff to do today. I have to edit some stuff, and actually I'll be editing for the next few days. But I do have a lesson in a half an hour, actually no, in an hour with Hadley. And yeah, then I'll be editing the rest of the night. Let's see. Let's recap from yesterday. Actually, I need a tuning. I haven't done a tuning yet. My cats are over here. See, this is Kiton right here. Kiton, you want to say hi? Hi, Papas. Oh, look at that little Papas. Here we go. Actually, let me turn this up a little bit. Get this over here. Yeah. So nice. So nice. Always so nice. My kitty is in the way. Crazy. But anyways, just want to do a quick recap of yesterday, and then I think we'll be done. That'd be kind of cool. Actually, I looked at the weather. It's really nice today. Whoa, we got like 17 messages. What's going on? Oh my gosh, I didn't see that. Let's see here. Let's look at the weather. Bum bum. Where are we? Here we go. Boom. Long Beach, 68 right now. There's a slight breeze. It's really nice in the sun. And we'll be getting to the high pretty soon of 70, which is perfect California weather. And tomorrow's going to be nice, and they don't know about the rest. So, awesome. Yesterday, I think I did my vlog later, so I already probably said this stuff, but I did work on the song sheets, the ones I needed, and I finished all of them yesterday, which was really cool. Wow, I just lost my light. Crazy. But let me fix that right now. My light needs battery. Watch this. Better. Alright, let's see. So, awesome. I have today, yesterday was day 93. Let me make sure I went the right 81. 82, 83, 80, 45, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. Today is going to be 94. And so that's 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Ooh, I got 101. But actually, it's alright. Wow, okay, so I have one extra, just in case. So I get to pick on which ones. I know which ones I want to do. That might not go. So, actually, wow, that might be nice. Interesting. Haha, I might do that one actually today. Cool. So I got it. I got all the songs ready. I'm gonna finish this 100 day. All I need to do now is just sing the songs. Awesome. Makes it very more comfortable. Even though it's weird every single time. Even though I've done it over, 90 days, it's every single time I feel like nervous, like before I sing the song. It's pretty crazy. I guess it just always happens. Nuts. Let's see. Appointment at Dave's. Oh yeah. Yesterday we had appointment at Dave's with Carlos Cooper, and that was cool. He's a previous customer. He lives actually here in Long Beach. Teacher at where does he teach at? Jordan High School. Actually, it's so funny because I think I've met him before, like previously, which is crazy. A while back when I was at Jordan High School, and that was kind of cool. But anyways, we had some good talks. He bought a pan already and wants to get another one. He's retiring, and yeah, he's loving the hand pan. He plays guitar too and likes to play, and we jammed a little bit yesterday, which was cool. And he bought a pygmy scale hand pan yesterday, so he was excited about that. Let's see. Yesterday's song was Bright Eyes, First Day of My Life. That was cool. But actually, it just comes to yesterday we talked a little bit about the 4 principles. Like usually if I have a new customer or somebody that's new to music and stuff, I always talk about this just to see. And I've just been testing the principles, how it works and how they feel about it. And actually I'm finding more and more that people love it. It's like, I think, and I've probably talked about it, but I just keep talking over and over. I'm programming my brain right now. And I wanted to share with people to see if they understand and how it can help them with their music. And that's basically came to the question, why the 4 principles? And that's what I've been trying to figure out, why the 4 principles of music. And this is what I came up with, actually. I wrote this down. Gives people the why, or why they need to do certain things when learning music. Like, for example, practice. Yeah, people don't practice enough, I don't think. But practice, why they need to do that. And then like melody, why that's important. Harmony, why that's important. And how it relates to whatever they're trying to do. And it works I believe it works in every instrument. Because these principles came from drum circles, but she mentioned in there it could be anything. Actually, she was using these principles to as a metaphor for life, which is kind of cool. So you can actually use this in music and life and all those things, but it just gives people a reason why. Because I think in the beginning when I was first playing, I just kind of figured it. I knew I needed to do something with my fingers. I knew I needed to get used to the instrument, and I just need to do it every day. That was what I knew. But if I knew these 4 principles, it would have been a little bit easier because it gave me the goals. I knew what I needed to do, but I didn't know why. And these are the whys: is to find your rhythm, the melody, the harmony, and silence. It's super cool. So I've been sharing that, and then Carlos, he was like, "Oh my God, that totally makes sense." And I've been sharing this a lot with a lot of different people, and people have different experiences, but every single one was like, "Wow, this is awesome. I'm going to use it." So that's what I kind of learned. I haven't been doing that lately. I need to keep doing that, what I learn every day. But that's one of the things I've been working on and trying to figure out, because I want to make that the standard for DII lessons. We always teach the 4 principles of music, which I think is pretty cool. Just gives people goals, makes it simpler. Things like that. So and then after we got back from the appointment, I think I just came back. Actually, that's when I really finished all the song sheets. I had one more left, and I finished that one, and then I was happy because that just takes a weight off my shoulders. I think that on the 90 days, the hardest part was rewriting all these songs because it's so tedious. I hate doing paperwork. I don't like doing paperwork. But yeah, I did that. So basically, actually, I have to write another one. There's more. It's gonna actually what writing the songs just got me familiar with doing it. Like if I have to write a song, it's easy. Like I can just do it really fast. So I know how to like, I don't know, just format it so it's easy for me to write. Especially after doing 100 of them. It's so cool. But I know I'm just gonna continue because as I teach, that's what I'm doing is people are giving me songs and then I just rewrite it for them so they can have it, and then I just add it to the thing because not all the songs are written in ukulele format, so even some don't even have chords, so I have to figure it out and then do it, and that's a little bit harder, but I already have the format, which is cool, so it makes it easier, I guess. So that's that's part of the programming is actually updating your skills, programming yourself. And then last night I had ramen for dinner. I like making ramen. It's so good. But let's see. I think that's all I have for today. I want to check the birthdays. I always like checking the birthdays and see what we got. Well, birthdays. I don't see any today. Oh, yes. Claire Chang. Yes, buddy. Happy birthday, Claire. I haven't seen him in a while. Actually, I don't know what he's been up to, but he's one of my, like, sometimes I get, like, jobs to do filming, but I'll hire him to go out and do it because he's amazing. Amazing filmer. And then he just gets me the footage and I edit. It's really cool. But hopefully he's doing okay. Haven't seen you in a while. I haven't seen a lot of people in a while. But yeah, Claire, hopefully all's good. And happy birthday, brother. So awesome. So other than that, yeah. That's the birthdays for today. I don't have anything. I have to get to work right now. And yeah, that's all I got for me today. But like always, what are we going to be doing today? I don't know. It's probably going to be a C. But like always, every day, keep on strumming ukulele and pet your kitty. Guitar. See you tomorrow.